I got the super thrower in dark green color now. Check that out. That is awesome. I got a flashlight in front of me here by Thrunite. This is one that I've reviewed. I've actually got 3 or 4 videos up on this light, pairing it to other lights, reviewing it, different bins and stuff. I hate to say this, but this is pretty much, out of every light I own, my favorite light. Well, now Thrunite has got a dark green version, and I haven't really even looked at it yet. I still got my other ones. The one thing that I continually like about this Catapult V6 is they come with a case. And if you're not familiar with it, this light is literally, I would say, for the size, battery life, how small it is pretty much one of the farthest throwing flashlights on the market for its size. So here we go, Catapult V6. And I'm hoping my camera shows the true colors. Man, that's neat. That is cool. I love that color on this flashlight. I thought, yeah. And these come with the very large, high capacity Thrunite 26650 18.5 watt hour batteries. And this is a XHP 35 high emitter. Typical UI, Thrunites, long press. You get that beautiful little 41-day runtime Firefly mode. Right there, 750 plus meters of throw on turbo. Now, one thing I forgot, I gotta look up quick because I'd never used turbo enough on it to begin with. Literally high 950 lumens for over an hour and a half works just wonders. And I'll turn turbo on, but I never leave it on real long. Man, there's nowhere on there saying that turbo drops down. Right there's turbo. 150 minutes at 1700 lumens. You know, it might do that. Putting this video up not only because it's the new dark green color, and they're only going to have 1,000 pieces with this color. They're also having a 30% off sale. Now, I don't remember the 100% specifics of it, but I will be putting it in down below. So make sure you check that out and go to their website to get 30% off of this fine flashlight. Now, we're going to get outside and we're going to quick give you some beam shots of this thing in case you forgot. This light is wicked. It is totally wicked, is all I can say. So let's get out there. Okay, we got us a nice full moon going on there. Check that out. Now check this out. Okay, in case you forgot, at 94 meters, this Thrunite Catapult V6 looks like this. Thing is just unreal. This is a thrower. Right up there is almost 300 yards. Easily. And if I were to scoot this camera over, that farm is over 700 yards back. Oops. Look at that hillside. North of 700 meters. This thing is just point blank wicked. That moon don't have nothing on this flashlight. Check that out. Even in the lower modes on this flashlight, like I said, I don't think this thing runs constantly at turbo. That's turbo, and this flashlight gets warm real fast. I can't see it running that long. But let's do this. That is high. And look at that. Over 300 yards easy. That's what I like about this light. Even just this mode alone. Punches out to no end. And high, yes, truly does run over an hour and a half. 165 minutes, I think they said. That is wicked. Then turbo. Jeez. What I'm going to do is just quick walk down the road, shine it back at the house, and show you that. All right, I've been running this thing for probably 5 minutes plus, and it's still going. It's hot, real hot to the touch, but you can hold it. What I'm gonna do is shut it off and turn it back on, turbo. Here it is. Now, if you notice any difference, I don't think so. Here comes a car. Here's my front yard. That's my house. 100-watt lights on. Just turning this on high. Look what it does. Is that not crazy or what? Way down the road. My God. And then turbo. What the heck, huh? That is so cool. High. Low even. Look at this on low mode. Medium. And high. Is that impressive or what? Unreal flashlight, I'm telling you. Never gets tiring reviewing this flashlight. I'll say it again. This has got to be about one of the best smaller form factor throwing flashlights on the market, if not the best. A lot of things go into it: the battery life, the size, of course reliability. If you have not picked one of these up, you need to go get a Catapult. You might as well get the green one. That is a wicked neat color, ain't it? Check them links out down below for this thing. You got one, you got one. If you don't have one, you need to get one. This is about as good as they get for a flashlight, I think. So there you go. Till the next time. Thrunite Catapult V6. Oh, and yeah, I didn't get it to drop down modes. This thing got quite warm. But it kept going on turbo. Pretty neat. Till next time.